Welcome to Pilot Siamonga Music Notes Desk. In this video, it's either you are watching me from YouTube or Facebook or TikTok. If it is the first time for you to come across my video, make sure you subscribe or you follow for more videos. Okay, in today's video we are looking at this hymn, Come We That Love the Lord, voice by voice hymn tutorial. Okay, we are going to sing soprano, alto, tenor and bass the way we have to sing it. Okay, make sure you share the video, you like, you give also a positive comment, to attract new viewers, Thank you. Okay, let's now tune to this hymn. Okay, soprano notes are as follows. Do, mi, do, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, do, sol, fa, mi, re. Re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, la, do, re, mi, re, do, la, so, do, re, mi, so, fa, re, do, re, ti, do, mi, so, mi, do, mi, re, do, so, fa, mi, re, so, fa, mi, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Gamus wilile madwi aleza weso tu imbel wimbo lubotu tu imbel wimbo lubotu kujuno jaleza kujuno jaleza twa swetonse atuhambane bawe sutula lwendo kuziyo ningumunzi waweleza. That was for soprano, alto. So, do, so, ti, do, so, mi, re, do, ti, do, la, so, ti, do, ti, la, fe, so, la, ti, do, mi, re, la, so, do, mi, do, so, do, ti, re, do, re, do, ti, do. Gamuza mulwile that was for alto, tenor, mi, so, mi, fa, mi, so, fa, mi, so, so, la, so, fa, do, mi, so, re, do, ti, mi, so, la, fa, mi, mi, so, fa, mi, la, so, re, so, fa, mi, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi. Gamuza mulwile madri alewesu tuimbe lwimbo luboto, tuimbe lwimbo luboto, kujuno jaleza, kujuno jaleza. Twaswonse atuhambane bagwesu tulalwe ndoguziyoni kumunzi wagweleza. For bass, do, 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 so, do, so, do, 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 so, do, 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 fa, do, so, re, so, do, do, so, do, fa, so, do, 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 so, do, fa, mi, fa, so, do. Gamuza mulwile madri alewesu tuimbe lwimbo luboto, tuimbe lwimbo luboto, kujuno jaleza, kujuno jaleza. Twa atuhambane bagwesu tulalwe ndogoziyoni kumunzi wagweleza. Okay, that was for bass. And one more thing. Okay, if you look at this part here, where we have this slur, and this part here where we are having these two slurs here for soprano and alto, according to this translation, the one I was singing, this slur and this one here was not considered as a slur for soprano. As a result, when I come to tenor and bass, I was not pronouncing the words as they are supposed to be pronounced, because the words, according to this translation, the words are more than the notes. Okay, yeah, so there should be a good translation that suits these slurs, so that each word can be pronounced properly. Okay, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you follow my Facebook page, and also you follow me on TikTok. Okay, may God bless you for watching. Remember also to share